Here's our new dog. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. He's been standing like this since he came home. I don't know if he's ever been in a house. Have you been in a house before? Hi, baby. This is your new home. Hi. You could lay down. He's just frozen. Maybe he needs a crate to feel safe because he was kenneled his whole life. And he doesn't know what to do now. He's just been standing there. He won't move. But he ate. And he's gonna go to sleep standing up. Aren't you a pretty boy? We need to come up with a name. Aren't you just a pretty boy? Well, there he is. Let me know if you think we should crate or not, since he's been kenneled his whole life. I'll see how it goes. Bye.